Hey students, welcome to another episode on School on Air. I'll be your instructor for basic science for today. Today we are going to be talking about sound energy. At the end of this video, you should be able to, number one, define sound energy. Number two, explain the production of sound energy. Number three, explain the transmission of sound energy. Number four, explain the reflection of sound energy. Number five, describe how humans are hearing. Describe hearing. Number six, define an echo. Number seven, you should be able to identify the different parts of the human ear. So let's go into the video. So you learned in topic 8 that sound is one of the forms of energy. So we said sound energy is one form of the various types or various forms of energy that we have. We said other forms of energy include mechanical energy, which can be divided into two: the potential energy and the kinetic energy. We also learned another form of energy, that it is electrical energy, chemical energy, and so on. So today we will be learning about sound energy. So first of all, what is sound energy? Sound energy is the energy produced by the vibrations as they travel through air, water, or any other space. Sound energy is the energy produced by the vibrations or sound vibrations as they travel through air, water, or any other space. So when vibrations travel through mediums like water, air, or any other space, you will create what we call sound energy. So the forms of energy that are produced by this mechanism is called sound energy. So in this topic, you will learn about the production, transmission, reflection of sound energy. So let's go to the production of sound energy. Sound energy or sound is produced when a force causes an object to vibrate. So when you had force, that is, force is when you had an action to, or when you put an action on an object. So when you put force on an object, this causes the object to vibrate. So by adding force, you are making the object to vibrate. So how do we produce sound from the vibration of the object? The sound energy is transferred through the substance in a wave. So the vibrations that you were able to cause within the object by using force will be transferred through the substance in a wave. A wave is like a vibration or a disturbance. So when these vibrations occur due to the force you put on the object, you can transfer it across the substance, which will make the substance to produce sound energy. So by adding force on an object, you make the object to vibrate, and after it vibrates, the vibration will be transferred through the object in a wave. So when these vibrations are transferred through the object, it will produce what we call sound energy. For example, the drums being beaten in a party transfers energy to the environment as sound. So drummers in a party, like parties, we have drummers that beat our drums. So when these drums are beating, that is, we are causing force, we are exerting force on the drums. This causes the drums to vibrate. As we said earlier, when the object vibrates, the sound energy will be transferred across or within the substance. This will produce sound energy. So when and the sound energy is transferred in a wave. So when the drummers are beating the drum, the vibration will transfer across the drum in a wave. So when